There we go. King Arms makes an awesome upgrade for this gun.
Oh yeah.
It's a
The stock?
Yeah, collapsible tube stock. So or folding, so it's side folding.
Oh, I saw that. Yeah, those are awesome.
Yeah, I want one. A tan one so I can put my PTRS on it. Or PTS.
Yeah.
Not the PTRS. I don't know why I threw an R in there.
14.5 millimeter.
I'm Battlefield. I'm throwing letters in that don't need to be there.
Adaptive combat weapon rifle.
This is the automatic weapon Kalashnikov. The AUK.
My bet is they'll be going right through this area here. So.
Yeah. It doesn't seem safe.
No, I know.
The door opens.
Well, you can climb in, but...
Oh yeah, I just don't want to.
No, I know.
The bus is fine.
Contact.
Contact?
Yeah!
Nice.
Got him.
Good.
That looked like it hurt.
Hopefully it did. I'm not aiming at you. Clearly he's never heard of keeping a gun in the ready position.
What? No. Pretty sure. Unless they felt like camping and waiting for us to go around. They probably dug in somewhere because I don't hear any movement. What? Contact! Contact!
Who was it?
James.
Oh, he must be nearby.
Got him in the face. Behind us! Behind us! Contact rear!
There he is, there he is, there he is.
Yep. I see him. I see him. At 100 meters that way. Yeah.
I lost him.
So did I.
Negative, there he is. At my 1 o'clock. See him?
No.
See him? Way over there. Go over to that cover.
Huh?
Cover me.
Yeah. I don't see him.
Any contact?
No.
He's that way.
Yeah. Lots of bushes over there.
Huh?
Lots of bushes over there. Oh, my wrist is killing me.
Huh?
My wrist is killing me.
Heavy gun?
A little bit.
Probably heavier than the one you're used to.
Well, I'm used to an MP9, so yeah.
Keep watching right. He's right.
All the crap I have on it's hard on the wrist.
He's not right. I'm sitting down. I need to take it down. Anything?
No. Wait. I think I saw movement.
That's where he's bad.
My 11 o'clock. Yep, movement. My 12. Hit! Alright. That's game! Man, this thing's accurate.
Isn't it?
Oh.
Where'd he get ya? Where'd he get ya? Alright, let's head back. We'll see if anyone else is here.
Man, you gave us quite a bit of trouble.
Yeah, I came all the way back here at the start.
Yeah, I know that we were following you the whole time. Like, well, we suspected that, so we came all the way around to your spawn.
Sat in your HQ for a while. My buddy sucked. Didn't really do anything. They all died at the start.
I killed Clayton at the start, and then killed James about 5 minutes later.
Did my round almost hit you the first shot or no?
I didn't even hear where it hit. All I heard was your shot. I didn't even know if you hit anything. Or I didn't even know if you shot something. Scared though.
Bullet almost clipped you in the left arm.
Oh. scared the living crap out of me, though, because I heard a shot and I spun around and saw you. It was probably pretty close. I mean, I didn't hear it hit any trees or any of me.